instrument, but in the sound of Jesus in you. Jesus is the proof of all revival outbreak. Listen, the proof you have met Jesus is the activation of your mercy antidote. And that antidote can only be activated on the field for Jesus, because Jesus cried out and said, my will is to come to save all men, that they may know Jesus and the resurrection of his power. Just like what Paul said, the proof you are saved is not in the pulpit, but it's in the goal factor to preach the good tidings that men must be saved. Listen, you don't need a sound gadget. All you need is a sound Jesus. Go into the world and preach the good news to all creation, that they may be saved. That they may be saved. This is the will of the Father.